Welcome to the Clean Mobility Panel. My name is Bill Bonnet, and I'm joined by four esteemed panelists.
In our research, government incentives and government regulations have been the biggest drivers behind clean energy pushes. The technology is still a little bit more expensive, but is starting to get towards parity. We have a very exciting decade ahead of us, decade and a half in this particular sector. We're very excited about the new administration in the U.S. and their very rightfully placed momentum behind clean energy and what that's going to do to the transportation sector. So thanks for the invite. Appreciate being here and looking forward to the conversation.